Comp AI is one of the most talked about AI software releases recently, and today I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it before jumping in. If you're new to AI tools, you'll want to stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether Comp AI is the right tool for you. First off, what makes Comp AI stand out in the crowded world of AI software? This tool is not just another shiny new thing, it's got a unique, powerful combination of features that are perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to streamline their digital operations. The user interface is intuitive, even for those who aren't tech savvy. When you first open Comp AI, it's clear that the developers focused on making it easy to navigate. Whether you're automating your workflow, analyzing data, or boosting your content production, everything is just a few clicks away. Now let's talk about its versatility. Comp AI isn't limited to one industry or niche. Whether you're into digital marketing, content creation, or data analysis, it adapts to your needs. It can be used to generate optimized marketing content, automate customer support, and even boost engagement through social media management tools. It offers something for everyone, and that's what makes it so appealing. But it's not just about the features, it's the performance. Comp AI operates at lightning speed. If you've worked with other AI tools, you know how slow some can be. Not Comp AI. Its processing power ensures that tasks are completed efficiently and accurately. Now the automation features are a game changer. With just a few setups, you can automate repetitive tasks, saving you hours of work. From email campaigns to social media posts, you can let the software handle it while you focus on higher level strategy. Comp AI also shines when it comes to content generation. The AI can create SEO optimized blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts. For marketers, this means more content at scale without sacrificing quality. And if you're into SEO, it comes with tools to help you rank higher on search engines with minimal effort. Another key feature worth mentioning is the customization options. While many AI tools give you a one-size-fits-all approach, Comp AI allows for deeper customization. This means you can tweak the software to fit your specific needs, whether you're running a startup or managing a large business. Lastly, let's talk about the support. If you've ever been frustrated with AI tools lacking customer service, Comp AI addresses that. Their team is responsive and offers both live chat and extensive resources, making it easy to get help whenever you need it. So now that you've got the rundown, I'd recommend trying Comp AI for yourself. You can start using it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. As someone who's tested thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Comp AI has earned its place as one of the best just released AI software out there. To wrap things up, I've put together a list of my top AI software recommendations in the description. These are tools I trust after testing countless options, and they're all worth checking out for free. Make sure to explore those and let me know what you think.